Crimson Desert. Fix Crimson Desert crashing on PS5. Narhadar 1. Restart and power cycle quick fix. Turn off your PS5 completely, not rest mode. Unplug power cable for 2 to 3 minutes. Turn it back on. Fixes temporary system glitches. Narhadar 2. Clear cache. Very effective. Steps 1. Turn off PS5. 2. Hold power button. Enter safe mode. 3. Connect controller via USB. 4. Select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Clear System Software Cache. Enter 3. Rebuild Database important. Still in safe mode, select Rebuild Database. Fixes, crashes, game freezing, corrupted data issues. 4. Delete corrupted save data. Sometimes saves cause crashes. Steps. Go to Settings, Save Data, and Game App Settings. Delete Crimson Desert save data. Restart game. Back up to Cloud USB before deleting. 5. Update the game, highlight game, press options, check for update. New patches often fix crash bugs. Number 6. Reinstall the game, strong fix. Delete the game, restart PS5, reinstall from library/store, fixes broken corrupted files. Number 7. Check overheating. Make sure PS5 has airflow, clean dust from vents, avoid enclosed spaces. Overheating equals random crashes. 8. Turn off problematic settings. Disable rest mode, temporary 120 Hz output, VRR, variable refresh rate. Path, settings, screen and video. These can cause instability in some games. Nihag 9. Disconnect internet test. Turn off internet and launch game. If crash stops, issue is server related or online sync. 10. Reinstall system software, last resort. Steps. Go to safe mode. Select Reset PS5, reinstall system software. This deletes everything back up first. Common causes: buggy game update, corrupted cache or save, overheating, system software glitch, rest mode issues. Quick summary: clear cache, rebuild database, update game, delete corrupted save, reinstall game, disable VRR 120 Hz, avoid rest mode.